TikTok is a short viral video sharing app that was banned in India and also facing troubles in the US. YouTube via its official blog announced the introduction of YouTube Shorts for 60 seconds video in India. Many might argue that it's a smart move by YouTube to cash in on the ban. In India, there is an option for creating 60 seconds vertical format shorts in the YouTube app. The rest of the world can only upload YouTube Shorts by using the hashtag shorts in the video title and description. YouTube Shorts have a dedicated shelf where the videos are displayed. So how can viewers find your shorts? Viewers may find your shorts by browsing the shorts shelf in home page, selecting the What to Watch Next module, searching YouTube, checking the subscription feed, clicking on the hashtag shorts. For a better chance at being shown on shorts shelf, include the hashtag shorts in video title and description. Here is how to upload your first YouTube short. First thing, open YouTube app, select the camera icon, then you choose your video. Next thing is that you have to edit the video title. Then include the hashtag shorts. Also add it in the description as well. Click on next. And click on upload. So that's how to upload your YouTube shorts.